geometric one. Yeah. This is B2. Yeah. Okay. We're loading the writer. I think. Will this make it bigger? Did I make it smaller? Yeah, but I'm trying to make it. No, I think that's making it smaller. If we maybe you can adjust. Okay. What is the A in the geometric sequence? That'll do. Great. What is it? 3125. And the OR? 0.6, like this, yeah. So S infinity is A over 1 minus OR, which is 3125 over 0.4. What's that, please? 7812.5, which is less than 8,000. Yeah, so like it cannot reach 8,000 because even when we add every term, the result is less than 8,000. This also we require the OR, because the OR in the A is positive as well. Because I suppose technically it is possible to go past 8,000 and then drop below 8,000 as you get to infinity. So that's more technical than you need, but we should really say, because A is positive, OR is positive, and we add every term together, the result is less than 8,000. So we can never reach 8,000 then when we add the terms together. Yeah.
So which paper is this again?
I don't know, whatever the next one is on.
2014-15.
Version 1?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, good. Alright, so that's B2. Right, what's the next one that's a problem, so? Section A, did you say? Just really this one? Yeah, so they're okay then. Was there another question?
2014-2015.
What's B4 about?
Yeah.
Derivatives?
And then the second
Okay.
one, version 1.
Version 1?
Okay. We're going to do B4 next. Can you read what the question says? Oh yeah, well, what type of shit?
Cylinder.
Will cylinders be in this exam?
Oh, I can't hear. What's your question?
Will cylinders be in this exam? Cylinder.
Was cylinder in one of the past exams?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you know the answer. It could be in this exam.
Could.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, so the hang on a second there, my pen just got a bit stuck. Hang on. Come on. There we go. Oh, come on. There we go. Total surface area 486 pi centimeters squared. Okay, so what's the first question then?
And an expression for H in terms of
Right, so we know, I think, find an expression for H in terms of OR. We could use the volume or the area. Yeah. I think that's what we'll go with. So we know that the area, which is 486 pi, equals 2 pi r squared plus pi r 2 pi r h, yeah. Which equals, I'm sorry, are we looking for the or the h? We're looking for h then, okay. So that's, alright, so then that's 2 pi or, okay, so I can divide everything by 2 pi. 2, 4, 3 equals pi r squared plus r h. So now I can get h equals 2, 4, 3 minus pi r squared over r. Oh sorry, why did I write that pi there? That's gone, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, what's the next part now?
Show that the volume V is given by V pi.
Okay, so they've given us a formula and we need to get it. Yeah.
For this particular question, will they give us like how to find the area of the cylinder or something we should know?
These, they're assuming you know. Yes, I'm afraid. V equals pi r squared h.
Pi r bracket 2, 4, 3.
Oh yeah, and I'm going to put in the h now. So what will happen here nicely is that the r's cancel. So you're left with pi r, isn't it? Yeah, because that will cancel with that. 2, 4, 3 minus r squared. I can make this a cubic because I can say this will be minus pi r cubed plus 2, 4, 3 pi r. Yeah. Okay, what's the next part now? Use derivative to find the maximum.
To find the value of r, which gives
Great. Minus 3 pi r squared plus 2, 4, 3 pi equals 0. Dividing by minus 3 pi, I get r squared minus, what's that, 781 equals 0. So then r equals 9. Reject the minus 9 answer, of course. Okay, next. Did it ask to confirm it? Okay, so, well that's okay. Second derivative will be minus 6 pi r, which is clearly negative, which makes it a max, regardless of what the r is. Okay, so the next part now is to find the volume, is it? Right, well, we know the r is 9, so we can get the h from the formula we were using earlier. H is 243 minus 81 over 9. 18? So, that's 18. So then the volume will be pi r squared h. So what's that? 810 minus 36, 774 pi. Is it 774 pi? What is it?
1.458 pi.
1458. 1458 pi. Okay. What's the next one? Oh, that's it? That's alright. That's alright. But it's an alright question. It's good, I think, actually. Okay. Anything, workbook, exam, whatever, yeah. Why, you have some questions? From which?
From the trigonometric, the practical formula.
The workbook? Yeah.
Okay, me too.
You too, yeah.
But it's not from trigonometry. I had thought during
Practical?
the first one is from logarithms. I think.
Yeah, okay. What else do we need to see here in this one? What's B5? Is it trigonometry?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, B5? Yeah. What's the first part, please?
Sketch the graph of y equals 2 sine 2x.
2 sine 2x. And what's x?
X is greater than 0
Yeah.
or equal,
Yeah.
and less than 360.
360. Okay.
Or equal.
Or equal to, great. So we have start, end, min, max. It's not so bad. 0, 360. You can find more examples we can do in class, yeah. So, this is the A. This is the A, and this is the B. So what does the A do? How exactly? By expanding, yeah. So which one changes here? Yeah, to what? -2 to 2. Yeah. And then the B?
It's the same for the start and
Compresses. Yeah. So it'll be 0,
3.
180. Divide by 2. Yeah. Okay, so now we can draw it. This is 2. This is -2. This is 0. And then I need to go to 360. So there's 180. There's 360. There's 90. There's 270. Right, so it starts at 0. So I'll put a line in here. And finishes at 180. So it finishes there. Goes from -2 to 2. I split this up into 4 boxes. And because it's sine, where do I start? Yeah. And then what I do is I copy this box and copy, paste. And there's that'll get you the marks. For style reasons, it's nice to put a little bit of an extension on the graph to show what's happening afterwards. I don't think that will cost you anything in the exam if you didn't. Okay, how many marks is going for that?
4.
Not bad.
Show the greatest and the least values of
Is that the same part or a different part?
4.
So they just want you to clearly mark off then the max and mins. Oh, come on. Wakey. Right, so I'll just put that in blue. Does it say mark or does it say label? Show. Okay. So this point here would be 45 and 2. Hey, wait, slow up there. Why are you so late?
We will fit in.
Dudes, no, you're way too late to come into this class.
Okay.
Abdullah, go. What? Wait, Abdullah, come back. No, way too late.
I emailed you.
Did you?
Yeah, I did.
Did you really?
And Dr. Lorraine as well.
Oh, okay. I'll have to trust you on that. What?
Did he send you an email?
I have to trust him on that.
I did. Well, you have to trust me too.
Did you send me an email?
No.
Wait, hang on. What group are you in? Do you have class after this or not?
No.
Because what I was saying, if we, well, I don't know.
Class after this done. Did you have class after 1 hour?
No, that's
2 hours.
Yeah, hang on. Just wait. Who's outside? One person.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
It's gonna be one.
Yeah, we can.
We can still finish.
We all
stand up for an hour.
As long as no one else shows up.
You,
We were thinking that since not everybody is here, we could just have the tutorial together, but not in this room.
B213?
No, B213 is being used. Just go to B301 after this class. You sit down then. I better have an email from you.
You do.
Okay. I'll see you in a few minutes,
I
okay?
have an email from you.
He'll be in trouble if he doesn't, don't worry. Alright.
People know I'm not here.
This is 135 minus 2. This one here is, that's two in the middle of 180 and 225, isn't it? And 2. And this one here, 315, 315, 315 and minus 2. Yeah. Do you know why we're in this room today? Is there something going on, or we're usually in D2 and 3?
Yeah.
Maybe it's because of the schedule. Like, you know, mixed up.
Schedule's very weird.
Yeah, we're gonna have soup doctor today.
It's good, but
Oh wait, I know. There's a business class on in there. Okay. Nathan, everything was going so well until you showed up. Now please.
Could I suggest a question?
Alright, can I scroll down?
Oh, sorry.
Now, what's the next part? Yeah. What's the equation, please?
Sin 2x equals 1.
Please remember, I need to get rid of one person for the next class. And the two of you will be top candidate. Right, what's the trigonometry equation now?
2 sin 2x equals 1.
Just this?
Yes.
Ugh.
And for 0 less than or equal to
0 to
3.
same as before. Okay. So we get sine 2x equals a half. What's sine inverse a half, please? It's 30 or is it 60? It's 30.
Okay.
So the second answer is 150. How do I make two more answers? Plus 360, so 390, and then what's that? If I add 360 here, 510,
Yes.
and then I simplify what? Make it good now.
Yeah, when they give you the limits, you're only supposed to take that into consideration when you're finding x, not 2x, right?
Not until this step. Yes. What's now for the S step? Yeah. 75, isn't it? 195? 255. Any of them need to be fixed? How many marks for that?
5.
Dang.
You wrote this, I presume?
No, not this one.
You know who wrote this one?
I'll have to have a look at the exam. I can tell from the style of it. Okay. What's the next part about? There's a shape, is there? Okay. So, can I go down? Yeah. Right, so what's this side then? Do we know it or we don't? 15?
Yeah, it's like around.
Oh, it's 2. Okay, so there's like 1 here, and then there's 1 here, and this is 15.
The
Do we know
middle-
this?
No. The middle one is 17.
This is 17, okay.
And this one is 12.
This one? This
Oh,
one?
yeah.
No any
And the
angles?
angle is 30. Second.
This
no,
one?
No, no,
This?
Yeah.
Here?
30.
This one? Great, okay. Is that it?
Yes.
And what do they want?
Find the length of BC.
Which one is BC here?
Yeah, this one.
This one. We'll call it X then.
Yeah.
Do they not say anything about the theta? Are you sure?
That's not BC.
Oh,
Okay,
it's
five
like
seconds.
They did not provide theta.
Okay, we'll put in the labels.
So are you saying
Well, they said cos theta is 3/10.
Yeah, that's what I figured. They have to give us something then.
Oh.
This is. Hey. This is A, is it? Hang on, my pen. Need to get my pen back. Oh, come on. Oh, here we go. No! Pen. Right. This one is A, P, C, D.
Yeah.
Okay, and you said cos theta, the 3/10. Great. And we want the BC, which is X. I recall there was a student protesting that this was not the X. Do you retract your protest?
You have to point it out.
I do indeed. Well, that would only help me in the next class now. Remember, I still have one too many. Right. What rule could I use to get the X?
No.
Not Pythagoras.
Cosine.
Cosine rule. So we get
Get theta.
x squared equals 15 squared plus 17 squared minus twice 15, 17 cos theta. That's 225. What's 17 squared? That's like 49. 349? 389. Plus 389. And then this is 30 times. Well, actually, I can do some cancelling here because 5 goes into that twice. 5 goes into that 3 times. And then 2 will cancel with the 2. It's 9 times, so that is going to be 152. Is it? Can someone check, please?
153.
So close. Yeah. Alright. So I just need to add these 3 together. Let's see, 225, 389. So what's that? 14, 8, 9, 10, 11, 3, 4, 5, 6. But you do minus 153.
Oh, sorry.
461 then. So then x is the square root of 461. I don't think 461 is a... Yeah, 21 point... Okay. Yeah. What's the next one?
Find the size of ABC.
The area. ADC. AD. They want the side?
Find the load.
Oh yeah. Well, in other words, they want to know the length here, yeah?
No, angle is.
Oh, this angle here?
Yeah, ADC.
Oh, okay. We'll call it alpha.
Yeah.
Would it be sine rule best? Because we could say sine alpha over 17 equals sine 30
Over 12.
over 12. Yeah, okay, so that's fine then. So sine alpha equals 17 over 12 sine 30 Right, so someone give me the alpha here then, please. Yeah. Huh? Where's that? Okay, so the last part, they're probably going to ask you for the area, is that right? That was the end of it. Simple. Right.
This was an actual
For that
exam.
term?
Yeah, it was last year's, or whatever, 15,
Is it end of the
16.
term or is it like the last time?
End of semester 1 exam. Is there any other parts of this one? Exam, I mean, that you need to see?
Do we start working on the worksheet?
I've got a little bit.
Can you do the
B6? Okay. B6? I think we'll finish on B6. And what's the diagram then? Alright, so we have this here, the quadratic, and where's the line? Can I see? It doesn't cut the y-axis in the picture? I see, like, can I see? Yeah, okay, so there's like a tangent or something here, and then a normal or something here, and there's an area here. Okay, so what's the first question? Right, so this is n, and what's the value?
2, 2.
Okay, and do we know this?
Yeah, 4.
Oh, this is n? Ah,
Yeah, 4.
great. And we want this line, yeah?
Yeah.
This is m. Okay. Well, that's okay. So we get y equals dy dx, which equals 2x minus 5, which is 4 minus 5, which is minus 1. Y equals minus x plus c. 2 equals minus 2 plus c. C equals 4.
Did you put the first, did you put M into right?
I used 2, 2.
Yeah.
What's the next part?
This equation is the x-axis of the point x from the coordinate system.
This is x. Yeah. Oh, that's okay. 4. So 0 equals minus x plus 4. X equals 4. So the answer is 4, 0. Yeah. They want to know where it crosses the x-axis. The slope of mn,
Yeah.
y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Is the next part to find the area?
What is the size of angle MMX?
Angle MNX.
NMX.
So this angle. Interesting question.
No?
Oh yeah, of course, because they're perpendicular. It doesn't look like it on my picture, but this slope is minus 1 and this slope is 1. So the answer is 90 degrees because m1 times m2 is minus 1. Okay, now is it the area? Yeah, okay. So the last part here is the area. So we integrate from 2 to 4. Do we know this line, MN? Yes. Hey, who are you looking for?
Did anybody use a calculator?
If not, I'll take it. I'm always looking for calculators.
Is there a guy outside who wants to sit in your class? Is that possible?
Who is this?
Abdul.
It's quite impossible, I'm afraid. It's quite impossible.
Too difficult for RCSI students?
This is way too difficult.
What is it, sums, is it?
We're doing sums, yeah, that's it, yeah. Do you remember this?
Yeah, roughly.
Yeah.
He genuinely wants to sit in your class.
Does he really? Oh my. This is the student from last year. He's in RCSI now. 2 years ago? Wow, I've already forgotten He won't take it personally.
How do you remember that?
He's gonna probably remember all of you guys.
Yeah, you guys are different. I'll remember you all. Yeah. You want to sit down? We've only got 5 minutes left for fun. And then you can talk to the students afterwards if you want. This calculator is
I don't know, somebody left it in the EAP exam the other day. Oh yeah, what's the past tense of...
Someone left in the EAP exam.
The past tense of eat.
Just all the variations that you can calculate for the EAP exam.
How many?
Accommodation?
I'll add it to my collection.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many words
How many people are hoping to go to RCSI?
Expensive.
That's the class rep there for RCSI, so that man's got some power.
He'll hook you up, will he?
So pop back over, you're going to say hello to Dr. Lorraine as well. Is she there? Yeah, she's there as well. Do you want to stay and study much?
I'll come here for a bit.
We have 4 minutes left. Don't worry. Yeah. This will probably be all the maths you do this year, is it?
The only maths we need to do yesterday was a third of 60.
Yeah. Okay. So.
Without the calculator.
Well, without a calculator. Wow. Okay. Look at you, Mr. Doctor, not using your calculator.
You'd be surprised about like how many people would not say 20 and would say 30.
But,
In like an exam situation, like how people would say 30 or 60.
yes. Mahmood, we're not finished yet. Just be a minute. Okay, we'll just finish on this last question here. So, do we have to find this line here? Yeah, we already know the slope is 1. So how can I find the C? Use a point. Which point will we use? Just use 2, 2. So what's the C? 0. So this line is quite a nice just y equals x. So it'll be x minus, you remember all of this, don't you? Roughly. X squared minus 5x plus 8 dx. So this will be minus x squared plus 6x plus 8 dx. 2, 4. Minus 8 there. Okay. Is it a question? It's okay? Yeah, do you remember? It's whatever's on the top minus whatever's on the bottom. So this one is above the quadratic then. Do you need me to finish this, or is this far enough for this? X cubed over 3 plus 6x squared over 2 minus 8x 2, 4. Let me just squeeze it down here. So I'll put in the 4 first. Minus 4 cubed over 3 plus 3 times 4 squared minus 8 times 4, and then minus, and I put in the 2. So that will be minus 2 cubed over 3 plus 3 times 2 squared minus 8 times 2. And then you get whatever you get there. Not that difficult of a question. Yeah? Okay. We'll go to B301. And first, yeah, because what's happening is I think I can get everybody into the one room. Unless you want to wait an hour.
Wait,
Oh, remember we have
I'm
Rahman.
just gonna do it in the break and then. Yeah.
There isn't really a choice. I'm just going to do both now, and then in an hour I'm not going to the room. All right. You can ask that guy any RCSI questions, okay? I'll see you in a few minutes up in the room.